How's it going? This is Sean over at OEI Digital. Just wanted to send over a quick video showing y'all 3 steps you can take to convert more new patients into your practice by increasing traffic to your website. Now, the first thing I noticed about your website is right up here in the search bar where it shows not secure. That just means your SSL security tag is out. You're going to want to get that up to date as soon as possible. That just helps Google know that your site is a secure site. I've come over here and look at a couple stats. So we have an old saying in our industry: the best place to hide a dead body is page 2 of the Google search results. Now that just means that there's billions of people on Google every day, but almost nobody gets past the first page. And specifically, there are 2,000 monthly searches for dentists in Midland, Texas. But only 90% of the searches do not make it past page 1. If we go over to Google and we search dentist in Midland, Texas, we see a lot of your competitors here: Basin, Bliss, the Dental Studio, Monarch. We go all the way down, but we're not finding Dental Solution on there anywhere. And we want you all to rank higher. We're going to show you 3 ways you can do that. The 3 things that you can do to get onto page 1 of Google. Number 1 is content. Number 2 is backlinks, and number 3 is citations. So number 1, content. Google likes to see at least 1,500 words of keyword dense content on your homepage. We took all of your words from your homepage, we put them into this word counter. There's about 334 words on your homepage. The reason why Google wants to see at least 1,500 words, it just helps Google know what your site's about. And they want it to be keyword dense. So when people are searching for dental practices, general dentistry, cosmetic dentistry, the more information you have about those keywords, the more Google knows what your site is about. So it helps them rank your site appropriately. All right, number 2 is backlinks. So backlinks are basically just links from other sites pointing back to your site. So your URL address, odessadentalsolution.com. The more often that appears on other sites pointing back to your site, Google sees these as votes, which help vote your website up higher on Google's first page. Okay. And number 3 is citations. Now, citations are your exact business name, address, and phone number on online business directories. So if we go over here, top 50 local citation sites, got Apple Maps, Facebook, Google, Yelp, Bing, local.yahoo, and there's so many hundreds of other sites where you can list your business, the business name, business phone number, business address on these directories. And the more often that Google sees that, they see that your site and your business is a trustworthy site and authoritative, so it'll help Google rank it even higher on first page. So those are the 3 things: content, backlinks, citations. Those 3 things you can do today to outrank your competitors on Google. If this is something you'd like to learn more about, we'd love to set up a time to chat. We could discuss your practice and maybe some ways we could help you reach more patients. You can give me a call at 432-287-7788. My name is Sean, and I'm with OEI Digital, and we'd love to hear from you. Thanks.